$12.25 espresso shot. That's what it does. Here we go. There comes the espresso-y goodness.
It's so inefficient.
It is. It really is.
I think they can do it has 3 pickup windows, so probably the other machines.
Okay.
Here it comes. So this has been 1:10 thus far.
The robots make the dad's coffee or espresso.
I commanded this robot to make mine. Uh-oh, what's going on over here? Is this how it delivers it?
Ooh, the top. Need a top.
Ooh, there goes the top. Put the top on. I am an espresso.
I feel like we're
I am an espresso.
It's like outside of a big city right now.
It's DH Robots. DH Robotics. I am a robot. I am a robot. Here we go, robot. You have a cup. You paid overpriced for me. You'll never get that money back. So what happens now? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Watch, there it goes. It's gonna fall. Oh, there it goes. Ah, help. Help. There we go. There we go. So let's, the proof is in the pudding. Let's see.
There are amazing quickies here.
Here we go.
This is Fields. But should we wait till after Panda or after PM chimes?
That's good.
That is totally not bad. I'll say that. Not bad.
PM